The following are some guidelines to help extend the life of your vehicle and prevent clutch and manual transmission problems. Proper clutch usage. Practice smooth and gentle clutch engagement and disengagement. Avoid riding the clutch pedal by resting your foot on it while driving. Don't use the clutch pedal as a footrest when you're not actively engaging the clutch. Proper shifting technique. Shift gears properly, ensuring that the clutch pedal is fully depressed before shifting. Avoid unnecessary gear grinding by fully engaging the clutch and matching engine speed with the transmission gear speed when shifting. Clutch pedal adjustment. Regularly check and adjust the clutch pedal free play according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Ensure the clutch pedal has the appropriate amount of travel and is not excessively loose or tight. Check the clutch fluid. Maintain the proper level of clutch fluid if your vehicle has a hydraulic clutch system. Follow the manufacturer's recommended fluid change intervals and use the correct type of fluid. Hill start technique. Master the proper technique for starting on an incline to minimize clutch wear and prevent rollback. This typically involves using the handbrake to hold the vehicle steady while smoothly releasing the clutch. Avoid excessive revving. Avoid unnecessary high revving of the engine while engaging the clutch, as it can lead to increased wear and strain on the clutch components. Regular maintenance. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule for your vehicle, including regular inspections of the clutch system and manual transmission. Have your clutch system inspected by a qualified mechanic if you notice any signs of trouble, such as slipping, grinding, or unusual noises. Avoid overloading. Be mindful of the weight you carry in your vehicle, as excessive weight can put additional strain on the clutch and transmission. Warm-up period. Allow the engine and transmission to warm up before driving aggressively or pushing the vehicle to its limits, especially in cold weather. Learn and follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Read your vehicle's owner's manual to understand the specific recommendations and guidelines provided by the manufacturer for clutch usage, maintenance, and transmission care. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to Viosified